제가 그냥 평범한 사람이었는데 애터미를 통해서 뭔가를 할 수 있는 사람이 되었다는 것 그 자체가 정말 저에게는 엄청난 큰 행운이고 축복입니다. 저도 그런 의미를 잘 몰랐는데 한 번은 저희 회장님 영상을 봤을 때 그 회장님께서 표류와 항해에 대해서 말씀해 주셨는데 그 말씀이 저한테 너무 와닿은 거예요. 그 전에는 뚜렷한 목표도 없고 삶을 어떻게 살아야 할지 잘 모르고 그냥 표류하듯이 시간이 흘러가는 대로 살았다면 이제는 제가 무언가를 할 수 있고 어디로 가야 하는지 목표가 있기 때문에 이제는 정말 항해를 하고 있다고 생각을 해서 그 두 단어를 말씀드리고 싶어요. 저도 애터미를 통해서 꿈을 크게 꾸는 법을 배웠어요. 그리고 제가 필요한 건 용기였어요. 꿈을 크게 가질 용기.
Hello everyone, my name is Christina Kim. I'm a new Royal Master. First of all, I feel so happy and honored to stand here today and see all of you as a Royal Master. I also want to thank you, Atomy Canada, for preparing an amazing promotion ceremony today. It was November. Yes, our entire team took on the challenge which we had prepared for over a year. And together we achieved a successful outcome. It was not an easy journey at all. During the challenge, we faced a serious shipping issue with Atomy Post. And there was a time we couldn't even receive our products properly. But no one gave up. Together, we pushed through and made it together. Yes. To all the partners who took on the challenge and reached your goals, I truly congratulations to all of you. I would like to say that this challenge was a truly remarkable and inspiring journey. When I immigrated to Canada, I had a lot of plans. I want to build a new career here. Since I was young, I always had a dream of becoming a success person who worked hard and achieving something meaningful. But as an ordinary person, I didn't really know how to make it. Instead of living a quiet and ordinary life, I looked for a vibrant world, but my house started to decline. As my house got worse, my dream began to fade too. I simply live each day praying that my house would hold up just long enough for my two children to grow up healthily. Then I met Atomy's products. I was especially amazed by Hemohim. The more I researched it, amazed by what I found. I couldn't believe such a product exists in Atomy. I started attending seminars and meetings, searching for VOD, and learning more about the company. I became completely fell in love with. The cosmetic was amazing. couldn't understand how they could be so affordable. Nowadays, everybody asks me, right? What are you using it? I apply the morning and night, and then my dried dumb skin become glowing skin. After taking Hemoim every day, I felt more energy. My dizziness disappeared. And then my complexion improved. The people around me began asking, what asking? What are you using? Yes. I wasn't promoting anything, just using the product. But people were noticing and then become its kind of advertisement. Because of a health issue, I had been away from social life for a long time. So when I finally found something to focus on, I feel like life came back to me. It was refreshing and joyful to have a role beyond being a wife and mother at home. Earning money aside, I was simply happy to working with others and doing something meaningful. Over time, I began to wonder, could I actually build the successful life I had to dream of through Atomy? I thought maybe, because I had seen Atomy grow with my own eyes. So, in my group sales, I could see names from different countries purchasing online. Even while I was sleeping, consumers on the other side of the globe were using products. It was growing globally. This day, Atomy is my job, and I'm reaching towards the highest position in this career. I believe in Atomy's system with endless growth, vision, and values suitable for the new era, and I'm working hard for the success for all partners. Every moment, I reflect on why I choose Atomy. It's not just about my own success. It's about helping those working this journey with me. And my loved family, they are really awesome. Sometimes I feel anxious or fearful, wondering if I'm on the right path. But if this is a part of my journey, I choose to accept it. I remind myself again of why I choose this Atomy. And in doing so, I regain my strength. Everything becomes something to be thankful for. Through Atomy, the color of my life have changed. From a gray life, silently living in poor health and with no hope, I got changed, regained my health, and began dreaming of a bright future. Now I connect with many people across the nations and living the vibrant green life. Yes, I'm on the green light, right? If you are the someone seeking hope and encourage you, take a close look at Atomy. If you are lost to your dreams while looking for a new one, please discover what is Atomy. Finally, I want to give huge thanks to everyone who worked hand in hand with me toward the same vision. To my sponsors, to my loved partners, and to my loved families who support me and who always give me the strength to keep going. Thank you. And let's all meet at the top 감사합니다.